Here are 4 little puppies that we are going to videotape. Hello, Mr. Green. Hi. This is the first time in the kitchen. And actually, they're pretty sleepy, so I'll have to... Oh, here they come. Come on. Hello, white boy. There's Mr. Blue with my son. Hello. Hello, guys. Oh, my goodness. New room? Hi. Hi. You got a toy. Oh, your favorite toys are here. Who is this? Oh, it's Mr. Green. Hello. Hello. Hello, little explorers. Yeah. Hello. Hi.
Green.
Hello, puppy.
Hi, boy, 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 boy. Boy, boy, boy.
Good boy.
Hi.
What's up there? An oven, huh? Ooh, a tunnel?
Oh.
Good boy. Good boy. There's Miss Yellow with my son. They're exploring the room and having a ball. Yay, puppies. Yay, puppies. You're so quiet. I shouldn't say anything, right? Shouldn't say anything. These are actually very quiet puppies. The whole litter is quiet as a whole. They really only get cranky when they're hungry. Right?
Jumping around. Jumping around, puppy.
So anyway, these are the 4 that I'm watching. It's the 3 males and the yellow female. The rainbow female was really whiny. Outgoing but whiny. And there was something about that I didn't like. So here they are. I can't make this video too long, but in another week or so, I'll give you another one. And they're really fun, boy. They're really sweet puppies. Yes, you're so sweet. And these faces, I can't stand them. Okay, guys, say bye-bye. Oh, you got your toy. Good boy. Good boy. I see that boy with the toy. She's a good girl. You're a good girl. Good boy. Yay, puppies. Okay, say see you next time.